always follow our tracks back down.
Yeah, I'm not super worried about it. That's pretty much the only concern for me. It's like getting cold, getting lost.
Here we go.
Let's do it.
Getting cold is already happening. Good morning. It's about 2:30 a.m. We are starting the trek up Pato, aka Mount Adams. It was a beautiful, clear night, but probably some winds later on in the day, so that's how we're getting an early start. Rolled into camp last night about 10:30. Slept in the car, pretty cozy, and got up around 2 o'clock. Now we're getting started. Okay, we are about an hour and a half in. It is now 4 a.m. We are about 6,800 feet, about 2 miles in, and we can now see the mountain. The sun is up enough that we can see pretty well the mountain now. Headlights are staying on. But yeah, Chloe and Nate are setting a very aggressive pace, and I am lagging along. But should we all get the? There's a lot of fresh snow on the ground in the place. I think it snowed yesterday, so that's some kind of fun hiking through. And it's really nice to follow their boot path through it. But Chloe and Nate, like how are we feeling so far? How are we doing?
I think we're doing well. We've had some interesting trail developments. Somebody camping told us that we weren't on the traditional trail, but we were on what we think is the traditional trail on our maps. So
the only trail on our maps.
Yeah, I mean, this is what we downloaded when you get trail for GPS, both on all trails and whatever Garmin uses. This seems to be the trail.
Gaia GPS too.
GPS.
Yeah. So we're gonna keep checking our maps, but we're looking good so far.
The boot path is definitely
leading us this way.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, we're now at 7,900 feet. It's about 5:30 a.m. The sun has risen, and we're getting some excellent views of south. So into Oregon, we can see Mount Hood right there. Right there. That's the mountain we climbed, attempted to climb last week. So it's looking pretty cool. You can see a lot of stuff from here. There are a lot of clouds, a lot of low-lying clouds, and it looks like we're hiking into the clouds. So gotta keep an eye on that. Haven't had any winds yet. It's been pretty mellow in terms of winds. The snow is getting icier, but we got our crampons on, and we're doing well. These are some reassuring steps. I like this cross right here.
Yeah, no, the ice.
Okay, we are now at 9,200 feet. That is Hiker's Peak, which is the false summit of Mount Adams and Pato. Mount Adams is behind it. As you can see, the weather is not looking great. It's very cloudy. With cell service up here, we are seeing that there are some light snow showers expected around the time that we would be on the summit. So we're pretty skeptical that a summit is going to happen today. I think we're still gonna try. Like we're still gonna go, you know. But I don't think
we expect we're gonna turn around.
Yeah, that's most likely. But we're out here at lunch counter. We haven't seen anyone all day. It's kind of weird. Usually there's like a ton of tents here at this base camp, if you will, but not today. So we'll see. We'll see how far we get. But yeah, the weather does not like to be improving at all. Okay, we are at 9,600 feet. almost 3,000 feet below the summit and about 2,000 feet below Pikers Peak, which is kind of where we're going. And the storm has definitely rolled in sooner, and it's only getting worse. Definitely like just throughout this whole morning, it's only getting worse, and the weather forecast is also getting worse. So, given how far away we are from the summit and the time it takes us to get down versus ski mountaineers, we're gonna turn around now. Conditions up here are certainly worsening. Clouds have really rolled in. It's snowing pretty hard now. But so, good that we turn around.
I'm happy you're making the decision to turn around.
Oh, absolutely, yeah.
Definitely the right one.
The storm that was supposed to roll in around 11 a.m. is rolling in around 8 a.m.
Be quiet, let it go. Yeah. Oh, she's coming straight for me. Keep it going, keep it going, keep it going.
Sweet path.
Back in the car, which is the true summit as usual. This is the second straight unsummited. I won't say unsuccessful. I don't think that's the right word for this situation, but yeah, not summited weekend. But it's all good. I really think this was out of our control. You know, we saw the weather forecast. We knew what we were getting into. We didn't think it was going to start snowing this early. But yeah, the conditions were just definitely not good for summiting, and we were still pretty far away from it. So definitely no regrets, and good experience, good lessons learned, and good fun with good people. So we're gonna drive back. Yeah, I know, right?
No complaints here.